Hey Springboro, here's what's coming up in the 45066. Springboro's concerts at North Park kick off with the classical series on Sunday evenings at 7 p.m. On Sunday, June 4th, it's the Springboro Wind Symphony. Sunday, June 11th, we welcome the Ohio Valley British Brass Band. On Sunday, June 18th, the Howard Swing Band. And then on Friday, we're going to sneak in on Friday, June 23rd at 7:30, hear the R&B and pop sounds of the Sly Band. And on Sunday, June 25th, the Miami Valley Symphony Orchestra. The month wraps up on Friday, June 30th, with the Naked Karate Girls. Food trucks are available, bring your own seating. Get all the details on this terrific lineup of the remaining series on our website, ci.springboro.oh.us. The Springboro Performing Arts Center highlights the African American Visual Artists Guild show, Exposition Through Art, the Artist's Life Project, through June 25th. Each work shows the individual artist's journey, development as an artist, or a meaningful event in their lives. Meet the artist at a reception from 2 until 4 p.m. on Sunday, June 11th. The exhibit is free and open 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday through Friday, or by appointment. Call 937-748-5781. It's Girls' Night Out in historic Springboro on Thursday, June 15th. Come down for great shopping and special deals from 5 until 9 p.m. Fun surprises in each shop, too. Grab dinner at one of the food trucks and enjoy live entertainment at Rotary Park, all right here in the heart of it all. The Springboro Juneteenth Committee has several events planned for the Jubilee, including a 3-on-3 basketball tournament, community panel discussion, underground railroad tours, and a huge celebration at North Park featuring live entertainment, food trucks, and vendors. Visit SpringboroJuneteenthJubilee.com or the Facebook page for a complete list of events. It's a Boro Boom. July 4th fireworks and festivities location this year is at Springboro High School. Food trucks and bounce houses will be at 6 p.m., music by the Bucket List Players at 7, and fireworks light up the sky at 10 p.m. Visit our website for details. Kacie Jane Splash Pad is open 10 a.m. until 8 p.m. daily. The park features 3 play elements, a shelter, restrooms, and picnic tables. There's no admission for the park or splash pad, located at Crosley and Lytle Five Points Roads. Visit our beautiful parks for hiking and biking trails, paved walkways, shelters, ball fields, and exercise equipment. And be on the lookout for one of our treasure hunt bags. We hide Springboro bags filled with cool treats each month. Check out our Facebook page for clues. While you're in the parks or anywhere else, keep track of your activity and register for terrific prizes. Walk 10 miles or cycle 30 miles in 1 month. Take a photo of your accomplishment and upload your photos to our website, ci.springboro.oh.us, by the end of each month to be eligible for terrific prizes. For more information about any of these events, visit our website, ci.springboro.oh.us, or check us out on social. And that's the Boro Buzz.